Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 5 of the Dueling Heathers build, I think. Honestly, I don't remember. It just came to me what part it is. I think it's part 5. So Heather's going to work on her Jeep. It is totally unassembled, sitting here on the bench, and this will be the last installment until the reveal that we've, between Jason and I and Heather have planned to do together. This will be the last installment of her build, so she's got a lot to she's got a lot to do. Let me move in here. She's got absolutely every part of assembly to do, so there's no assembly done at all the painting is done. I do want to mention, let me put my glasses on because I can't see. We were missing the headlight bezel, and I know many of you guys reached out to us about that, but I was able to cast one, and tell me if you guys can tell which one I casted. But anyway, there it is. So we have 2 headlight bezels, and I did chrome them for Heather because I don't feel like that was her part to have to come up and try to figure out cast and chrome apart. But anyway, there is those. She's got everything else is very blurry right now. There it goes. Everything else is painted, so all she's going to focus on now is assembly. So her body's ready to go, interior's ready to be glued in, and we're just going to start working. I'm going to be here assisting her, not doing it for her, but anyway, she's going to get busy on it, and we will be right back. And you got anything else you want to say?
I don't think so.
Okay, all right, stand by. 20 seconds.
That was 20, I counted.
Was it? Okay. Well, let's see if it will move.
I don't remember what I moved with, a toothpick?
No, just take it with your finger.
I can't.
Okay, go back in there. Let's give it a few more seconds. So she's about to put her instrument cluster.
I forgot.
I've got some hot water for her there. And we're about to see her put the instrument cluster in for the... Let's just see if the decal will move. Take your finger and see if it will move.
I can't with these nails.
Yeah, you can.
Can I use this toothpick?
No, it might scratch it. Just take your finger.
Yeah.
It is moving?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Give it a few more seconds. It seems like it's still... It'll soften it the more you keep it in there. And, okay. Alright, go for it.
I need something else to move it with.
I use the end of the X-Acto knife.
Okay.
That's
yeah, I did that before.
Use. Alright, so she accidentally put the steering wheel on already, so it's going to be kind of in the way, but...
I wish I would have held it the other way. I could have put it in that way.
I think you...
You know what I'm saying?
It's okay.
It would have been easier to put it
Take it off, and you can move the decal around.
Yeah, but
she's trying to work with these nails on.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't work on my model last week, because I had these nails on. I thought they'd be off by now.
But just don't let it get off, or you're done.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay.
Pick it up with this?
Well, shoot, if you can just take it off with the X-Acto knife and place it in. There you go. Just be careful, because that is a very flat paint. It means it will grab and not move sometimes. There you go. Well, see, those nails actually help because you can reach down in there.
I want to move it. Okay,
so take your tip of your knife, because this tip of this knife, guys, by the way, is broken, so it's flat. So she can kind of move it around a little bit.
Well, not.
Look at
there.
there.
We go.
That looks pretty good. And we'll take a Q-tip. I'll get her a Q-tip. You got one? And just kind of dry it up and...
well, this end has...
Dry the water out of it, and that looks pretty good. Turn around here. Let's see what it looks like. Very nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, moving on. Alright, so she's got her interior completed, which was pretty simple, but she got her decal on the... You want to talk?
No, go ahead.
Go ahead. No, you talk.
Well, you basically covered it.
Say something.
Something.
It's your video. Say something.
Something.
Here, you say something. Alright, anyway, her interior is pretty much complete. Are you done with any detail painting you want to do? You pretty much already did all that.
I think I am.
Yeah.
It's going to be a short person that drives this car because
So I had an opinion for Heather,
Steering wheel's really close.
I said if it was my Jeep, I would paint the lug nuts silver. She said she wanted the lug nuts to be black, so it's her build. So
well, I might change my mind. We'll see.
And don't change it because I said so.
No.
You just
I'm not.
You do it the way you want it.
We'll see.
Her mirrors already have the mirror little insert in them, so that's ready to go. So you just
assembling.
That's it. Just assembly. Yep. Okay. Good deal.
Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, so she has got her windshield. You talk.
I've got my windshield in.
You talk louder than that.
I've got my windshield in. What else have I done? Oh yeah, I got my wheels on.
Wheels on. I had to help her with the wheels and tires. Those suckers are hard to get into the tires.
Yeah.
And then I went in to get a drink of water, and I come back out. She's already got the tires mounted on the axles, or the wheels and tires mounted on the axles. She still has a pile of small parts over here that she's got to get on, and we will we'll do a few more minutes of filming. Like some of the parts are these wheel flares, which one of them are body flares that already have, but we're not going to complete this build, and I keep saying I'm not building it, but we're on the camera together. But we're not going to complete this build until, or have the final reveal until Heather Hanscom and Jason Hanscom are done with theirs, and we're going to try to have a special reveal done. So anyway, she's going to work on a few more things. Let's see, we got bumpers, got the spare tire, mirrors on the body, wheel flares, windshield wipers. What was it?
Oh, gas cap.
Gas cap. Oh yeah.
Mirror.
Oh, that one rearview mirror. You've only got one rearview mirror glued in place, or stuck in place, I suppose, because the other one is.
I need to go ahead and do that for my windshield.
Okay. Anyway, all right. How about this? How about this thing is really near completion, except for a few extra parts. So, why don't we just close this video out? How about that? Okay. And somebody told me, Matt, don't be ashamed of your glasses. I took them off before because I couldn't see anything, but they're like, don't be ashamed of your glasses, but I am ashamed of them. But I can't see a darn thing without them, so.
It's okay.
How about that? How about old school? So I'll look up like that. Anyway, we are done with this video, I suppose. So this is going to be a really cool reveal of these two Jeeps whenever they are completed, and we're so excited to be able to do. Me and Jason have been planning, Heather, we've all been planning together of what to do to try to make this Heather dueling Heather build the most special as possible. That really didn't sound right, but anyway, the most special, most specialist as possible. What should I have said? Most spectacular. But I'm so glad that Heather comes out here and once in a while and builds a kit with me.
That's what I have to do if I want to spend time with you. She
says if she wants to spend time with me. I'm having to look up like this to see the darn things. It's crazy. Let me take stupid things off. So she says if she wants to spend time with her hubby, she has to come out to the model room. That's not true. We watched Beetlejuice last night.
Yeah, we started the movie at 9 o'clock.
I was asleep about 3/4. I tried my best to make it through Beetlejuice, but my girls had never seen that movie.
That's because you didn't start it until 9.
Was it 9 o'clock?
Yeah, you were out here and you didn't come in until 9.
It was 9.
Finally, I texted him. I was like,
it was
going
not
to bed.
9. It was not 9.
It was 9.
Maybe after I got my shower and everything, but anyway, yeah. I came in. But anyway, so I have a lot of fun with her out here. So you guys encourage her to come on out here more often, and there were some more ideas brought up in the live stream the other night that we had about doing some other like group builds, like maybe a Matthew and Heather and a Jason and Heather group build or something.
Oh, I thought it was you and Jason.
Was it?
I thought it was a you.
I don't know, but that would be fun. Me and Heather build one, Jason and his Heather build one. I think that would be fun. Wouldn't it be fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell her enthusiasm in that. Anyway, all right, so let's close this video out. So, all she's got to do is finish the Jeep.
Yep.
Body onto the chassis. roll cage onto the stuff and a few extra little parts, and she will be done. So Heather, why don't you close this video out?
Bye.
So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and we really appreciate it.
Yes.
And check out Hobby Nut Models Spring Store, Facebook group, Patreon group, all those things linked in the description below, as well as Ruthie's channel. Go check her out if you hadn't subscribed to Ruthie already.
Put the link.
I will link everything in the description below. Go check Ruthie's channel out.
And thank you guys for who have already started supporting her. She appreciates it.
Definitely. She is having a lot of fun making these like real soothing type of video. Not guy stuff. I totally understand that. But turn your wife onto it if you would. Yeah, some guys like it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And hey, we'll see you in a few more days, and there'll be a special reveal, and it's going to be so much fun. And we'll be done with this Jeep. So take care. See you later.
Bye.